artistic as a child. I was also always very entrepreneurial, not just like painting seashells, but needing to start a whole business of selling them as well.
We started doing sprinkles inside our studs a couple years ago, just after baking with my daughter. And it's just that little bit of whimsy that you want to take with you everywhere.
So it's inspired from a Japanese technique called kintsugi, where something breaks and then you put the piece back together using gold. So it actually becomes stronger than it was before because gold is a harder material, and you can see the break as a new part of the whole. The fact that it's something that we make from start to finish with our hands, that we're putting that out into the world.
But it's all a combination of traditional metalworking and then more modern things like 3D printing, plant-based resins.
So I work with a lot of rough gemstones. I like to celebrate the natural beauty of something exactly how it was made and intended. I'm really passionate about making the best environmental choices as we can, so we work with all recycled metals.
We share the obsessions with our customers, and we love to make things that make them happy and make them feel important.
I get to make something every day, and that's probably the most exciting part.